Welcome to my channel. Please help to like, subscribe, and share. Becoming rich is a goal that many of us aspire to, but few achieve. It requires a combination of hard work, smart investing, and a bit of luck. If you want to become rich, there are a few things that you can do to increase your chances of success. 1. Develop a positive mindset. The first and most important step to becoming rich is to develop a positive mindset. This means that you need to believe that you are capable of achieving your goals and that you are willing to put in the work to make it happen. Start by setting small goals that you can easily achieve, and gradually work your way up to bigger and more challenging goals. 2. Focus on increasing your income. One of the most important steps to becoming rich is to focus on increasing your income. This means that you need to find ways to earn more money, whether it's by taking on a second job, starting your own business, or investing in stocks or other assets. Whatever method you choose, it's important to stay focused and committed to your goal. 3. Save and invest wisely. Saving and investing are essential if you want to build wealth. This means that you need to be careful about how you spend your money and always be on the lookout for opportunities to invest in assets that will appreciate over time. Look for low-cost investment options like index funds, which can help you grow your wealth without taking on too much risk. 4. Eliminate debt. Debt is a major obstacle to building wealth, so it's important to eliminate it as soon as possible. Start by paying off high-interest debt like credit card balances, and then focus on paying off other debts like car loans and student loans. Once you are debt-free, you'll have more money to put towards your savings and investment goals. 5. Stay disciplined. Building wealth requires discipline and focus. This means that you need to be willing to make sacrifices in order to achieve your goals. Whether it's cutting back on expenses or working harder to earn more money, it's important to stay disciplined and committed to your plan. 6. Seek advice from experts. If you're serious about becoming rich, it's important to seek advice from experts who can help you achieve your goals. This could be a financial advisor, a successful entrepreneur, or a trusted friend or family member who has experience building wealth. Whatever advice you receive, it's important to carefully consider it and apply it to your own situation. 7. Keep learning. The world of finance and investing is constantly changing, so it's important to keep learning new strategies and techniques for building wealth. Whether it's reading books, attending seminars, or learning from other successful investors, there are plenty of resources available to help you grow your knowledge and skills. In conclusion, becoming rich is a challenging but achievable goal. By developing a positive mindset, focusing on increasing your income, saving and investing wisely, eliminating debt, staying disciplined, seeking advice from experts, and keeping learning, you can put yourself on the path to building wealth and achieving financial independence. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.